The 2021 Madrilenian regional election was held on Tuesday, 4 May 2021, to elect the 12th Assembly of the Community of Madrid. All 136 seats in the assembly were up for election. This election marked the first time that a regional premier in Madrid has made use of the presidential prerogative to call an early election ahead of schedule. On 10 March 2021, after the unexpected announcement by the Spanish Socialist Workers' Party and citizens of moves to bring down People's Party-led governments in the region of Murcia, Madrilenian President Isabel Díaz Ayuso broke up her alliance with CS and called a snap election in the Community of Madrid for 4 May, a move which she had unsuccessfully attempted twice in 2020. Despite both the PSOE and MAS Madrid preventively filing motions of no confidence in an attempt to thwart Ayuso's move, the next day the Assembly's bureau provisionally acknowledged the parliamentary dissolution, though it announced a complaint against Ayuso's election call. Subsequently, Second Deputy Prime Minister of Spain and Unidas Podemos national leader, Pablo Iglesias, announced he would be stepping down from his national cabinet posts in order to run as his alliance's leading candidate in the regional election. The election resulted in a landslide victory for Ayuso's PP, falling short of just 4 seats of an overall majority on its own right and securing more votes and seats than all 3 main leftist parties combined in what was the best performance since 2011. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.